goals of the lesson. 1. To familiarize students with the minerals of the collection and their primary chemical composition. 2. Using samples of modern mineral cosmetic products, study their composition and properties, and their effects on the human body. 3. Find mineral samples that are raw materials for the production of mineral cosmetics. 4. Show the direct relationship between subjects such as chemistry, mineralogy, biology, geography. A lesson on mineral cosmetics allows students to deepen their knowledge of minerals, their properties, and application in cosmetology through the study of specific product samples, interactive games, and material reinforcement, which contributes to the development of analytical skills, understanding of scientific aspects of cosmetology, and confidence in choosing and using cosmetic products. Students begin the lesson with a lecture on minerals and their composition to refresh their memory and introduce the topic. Then, they get acquainted with various samples of mineral cosmetics, studying their composition, properties, and application areas. Student groups rotate between the samples to familiarize themselves with each. After that, 2 games on the word wall platform test students' knowledge about the properties and application of mineral cosmetics, as well as its composition. Next, students work with cards on the composition of minerals and the Mendeleev table, after which they study mineral kits for a further paper quiz on the composition of minerals. The lesson concludes with the use of the word wall platform to reinforce the material. At the end of the lesson, a summary is provided, allowing students to assess their level of understanding and assimilation of the material.